Okay, YouTube, I'm going to show you how to lubricate a tachometer from, this happens to be an old Suzuki, and if you can get this far, you're doing pretty good. Now, I suffered from a really slow, this is off a 1977 GS750, and this was extremely slow for responsiveness. And so what you need to do in order to lubricate this is the following. First, you need to get some, this is a very fine oil. This is from slot cars. There's a slot car oil, slot car racing oil. It goes on the little pieces of the underside of the slot car on the axles. So what's nice about this is it's an extremely fine oil and it has a really good tip. So you see it's got a tip. So there are two places that you need to oil on this. The first is right here. You just put a little teeny drop on it. And the second one is at the needle. So there's two places where it needs some. And what's nice about this is you don't have to take the dial off or anything. So you need to get right in here underneath, right at the end of where that white part is in there. And you just put like a drop, and that's it. And you do it while you're in this orientation, right? So you just get under the needle and you hold it like this for both, and you get underneath it right here for the other one. And then all you do is you hold it like this and you just spin it and you lift it just a little bit like this, because the needle kind of goes up and down. You can see that. You just keep doing that until it loosens up, and that's all you have to do. There's really nothing to that. Now, I've seen people say white grease and other things. Sure, that could work. It seems like a little heavy to me. You also want to put just a little bit of oil right here. Okay, right here is also a bearing for where the tack goes in, right here. So you can also oil just a little bit inside of here, just around the edges. And then you can just hold this and spin this like that until it feels looser. But as you can see, I've got really good action now, right, out of this tachometer, 1977 GS750. And that's it. Now, there's other videos that show how to get this far and get this out and put it back together. And I actually used, to start out with, one of those paint keys, you know, for taking the lid off a paint can, and started with that. And then I used a little bit of a screwdriver, then a really small crowbar to go around the edges, because there's a metal piece that goes around here before you can get this all out of the can. So anyways, hope that's helpful.